Don't even think about it. You're not poking your dick through it. Doesn't matter, does it?
Just put it in the middle. Nope, down further. That's not the middle. The middle of the paper, because that's where we...
Right here?
No, that's too high. Like right down here. Yeah.
You're on. Come here. Oh no! Oh no! Hang on. I know, that's why I wanted to be on this side of things.
Okay.
Come on, sweetie. Peekaboo. Do you want a treat? Do you want to go to Big B? Would you like a treat? The store? Or for a walk? I'm just gonna rip it a little more. Here we go. Avril, would you like a treat?
Got him on my knees.
Aw, you're being so good for this, sweetie. I'm gonna tear the paper some more. Oh, no, come this way. Excellent. Oh my god, these are so fucking cute. Yay!
I got an idea.
What?
Let's take it off the wall now and put it down low and put her over here and see if she can like...
Crawl through it?
If she'll like start to crawl through it.
That would be cute.
And we could do it like slow-mo.
That would be cute. Yeah,
She
she
may
will.
just look at me.
Especially if like she were to hand me a treat or something.
You ready?
Yeah. Come on, sweetie. Oh, god damn it. See, that's not how we
I
play.
mean, it needs to be all the way down. The first couple you showed me were really cute.
Yeah, those are really cute.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Little woodpecker?
guys, welcome back. It has been quite a few days since I last talked to you. I just got home a little bit ago from one of my work's Christmas parties, and that we basically just exchanged like Secret Santa gifts and had some food and just kind of hung out for a little bit. You guys saw the Secret Santa gift that I got for my coworker, the little creative groom with the gel pens and stuff. She really liked it. She was really happy with it. So I did good on that. And then I got my Secret Santa gift, which you guys, this is like hands down probably the best Secret Santa gift I have ever received in my entire life of getting Secret Santa gifts. Like, usually Secret Santa gifts are supposed to be, you know, something little, something small, but this is like so freaking meaningful. Like, I literally started crying. Candy, I got some cards, cookies, you know, just little things like that. My boss also got me a gift as well. So I'll show you that first. And so my boss got all of us gifts, and she was like, now these gifts are what I think of you. Like, when I think of you, this is what I got. And I was like, oh, I wonder what mine's gonna be. Because, like, I have many different facets to my personality and, like, what I like. And when I pulled this out of the box, I literally started laughing my ass off. She got me an Avril Lavigne Funko Pop. This is the Skater Boy Avril Lavigne Funko Pop. And this is so freaking cute. Because she knew that I went to the Avril Lavigne concert. And she knew how excited I was about it. And, like, how much I love Avril Lavigne. So I got a little Avril Lavigne Funko Pop. I absolutely love it. This is like my jam. Like, this is my era of Avril Lavigne. Like, look at her. She's so cute. Look at her throwing her little devil horns up. And I've never had a Funko Pop before. And it comes with like a little stand. And you can like stand her up. So I got a little Avril Lavigne Skater Boy Funko Pop. So freaking cute. I about died. I love her. She's perfect. I know it's what I just did is probably like a crime. I know a lot of people like to keep their Funko Pops in the box, but she looks cuter out of the box on her little stand. So I think I'm going to keep her like that. And then my Secret Santa gift. Okay, are you guys ready for this? So the first thing I got, I opened it up, and it is a framed picture of Jackal right here. Him in the wilderness. A nice little framed picture of my Jackalberry. And then the next thing is I reached down in the bag and I felt something really hard and it was really heavy. And I was like, what the heck is this? I open it up and I see this on the back, okay? It says Jackal. For those of you who don't know, maybe you're new here and you've never seen my vlogs before, I had a dog named Jackal. He was my soulmate. He passed away in January. It's almost coming up on a year since he passed away. That dog was literally my entire life, and it was very difficult. It still is difficult since I lost him. Anyway, so that's who Jackal is. So I see this, Jackal, and as you can see, it's like a stone. It's a rock. I turn it around. Look at, it's a, I'm gonna cry again. It's a hand-painted portrait of Jackal. Like, that is the most thoughtful thing ever. It literally looks just like him. And the fact that it's hand-painted, like, that was just so thoughtful for her to, like, take the time and, like, spend the money on something like this. Like, so sweet. And it even comes with a little stand so I can like stand him up. It's so good. It is so good. So now I have this little keepsake of Jackal. Just so sweet. Like, they even captured his little personality with his little head tilt. And I know exactly what picture they used for this because it's like one of my favorite pictures of Jackal. But yeah. Isn't that like the sweetest Secret Santa gift? They're the best. They are the freaking best. Like, working there was one of the best decisions I ever made. So it's just full of sweet freaking people. Like, I can't handle it. My boyfriend's calling me. Please hold. All right, I'm back. Like 45 minutes later, but I'm back. I literally forgot what I was talking about. I think I was talking about cookies. So I made my cookies for the party. They turned out good. Everyone liked them. So, yay. There was a lot of really, really good food there. You guys, like, everyone could not believe this, but somebody made and brought deviled eggs. And I'm going to be straight up honest with you guys. I have never had a deviled egg before. I know. I'm calling myself out. I've never had a deviled egg before. So I had my very first ever deviled egg today, and it was really good. The food was really good. The mac and cheese, oh my god, whoever made the mac and cheese was so good. I literally could have eaten that by the freaking pound. It was delicious. But yeah, it was really good. The gifts were really nice. I also got a couple Christmas cards, some candy. I think I already told you guys that. I got a keychain that said, I'm a dog groomer, I make bitches beautiful. I love that keychain. We've had a very successful holiday season so far because I'm not in a crippling, awful depression this year, which is great. That was my goal, to completely avoid getting super down and depressed. So we made it through. Everything is good. The rest of the night, I am probably going to just veg out on the couch. I am still so full from the party, and I'm probably just going to watch movies. I watched a couple movies last night. I watched the Colleen Hoover movie, like based off her book. I watched It Ends With Us. Such a good movie. Like, can I just say, such a good movie. I enjoyed literally every freaking second of it. It was amazing. And then I also watched the new Megan Fox movie, Subservience, I think it's called. That one was really good. Really liked that one. And then I think tonight I'm going to watch Woman of the Hour, and then maybe that new Christmas thriller that's on called Carry On. That one looks really good. I also watched, because I have heard so many bad things about the new Joker movie, the Joker Folie à Deux or something like that, the second Joker movie with Lady Gaga. I heard so many negative reviews about that movie. Like, people hated it. Like, I'm talking like walked out of the theater, hated it. They said it was so bad. So it was released on streaming like maybe a week ago or so, and I watched it, and I'm probably in the minority here, but I did not mind it at all. Like, I didn't think it was that bad. I actually thought it was pretty good, which is quite shocking because literally all the reviews that I saw for that movie were absolutely terrible, but it wasn't that bad. Like, I would watch the Joker movie, the second one, the new one with Lady Gaga. I would watch that 100 times over than ever watch the second Beetlejuice movie. Like, I know that is so unexpected, but it really wasn't that bad. And I'm not much of like a musical person, and don't get me wrong, like, some of the musical parts were kind of annoying, but I did not think it was a bad movie at all. I am going to get off here. I am going to get cozy on the couch, and I am going to enjoy some movies, and I will see you guys again very, very soon. I love you all. Bye. Mwah. Avril also got a little treat. Yeah. She also got this little treat in the Secret Santa gifts that I brought home for her, and she really likes it, but I can only let her have a couple bites of it because it has a lot of protein in it, and she has kidney issues, and dogs with kidney issues can't have a whole lot of protein, so I'm just letting her enjoy a little bit of it, but as you can see, she's living for it. Loves it. It does have a lot of water in it because it's kind of like a dental type thing. Yeah, get those back teeth. Scrub a dub. Good girl. Excellent. Good? Yeah. Excellent. Aww. Okay, just a couple more bites and then mommy has to take it, okay? Yeah. She's like, fuck you, I'm gonna take off with this thing. Good girl. Yeah, it's pretty good, huh? Good girl. Her little hands holding onto it, like how cute is that?